Some breaking updates, this time from Bihar after earthquake hit Delhi. Now, an earthquake with a magnitude of 4.0 on Richter scale hit Siwan in Bihar, and this happened at about 8 a.m. today. So, few hours after earthquake hit the national capital, earthquake hits Siwan as well. Siwan is in Bihar after Delhi NCR. Bihar also feeling the tremors. Let's go straight across to Prabhakar on this. Prabhakar, take us through the details. We believe earthquake hit Bihar as well, and 4.0 on the Richter scale. Any kind of damage or any, any sort of casualties? We believe it isn't as serious.
Not really. It's the government data which is actually confirming to us that the earthquake had hit Bihar at 8:02 a.m. That is around 8 a.m. So that is when the epicenter was supposed to be at Siwan, and it was measured 4 point something on the Richter scale. But as far as the impact on the ground is concerned, there's no impact on the ground, not even in Patna. Remember, the distance between Patna and Siwan is hardly 100 kilometers. So if there would be an epicenter at Siwan, the tremors would be felt here in Patna. And Patna happens to be an earthquake-prone zone as well. It is the Himalayan plain where the earthquakes strikes very often. So as far as the people of Siwan are concerned, they are also not aware. It's only the government data which is confirming to us. So there were no tremors felt, there was no damage or loss of property, I would say. But the government data is certainly confirming to us that there was an earthquake at around 8 a.m. It had hit Siwan. Epicenter was Siwan, and it was measured on the Richter scale by the government agencies.